All right, guys, it is 1:02 p.m., July 16th, 85 degrees out. And it has been 30 minutes, about exactly 30, 32, 3 minutes since I finished this pallet. Got to the next one to put up. I can't nail. That drill isn't pushing through this pallet wood. I'm stuck. I'm stopped already. So I went and pulled out the air gun. Never used it before. I've used the air gun when we did at Belisha underscore off grid windows in her shed to house, but it was cordless, so I liked it. I liked the power of it, so I went and got me my own. Never used it before. I'm gonna see if it works. Got it plugged up. The rain clouds, you can hear the thunder and lightning and stuff, are making a lot of noise and headed some way. I don't think this way. They've been sitting there for a while. We felt a few, 1 or 2 drops. Definitely clear over here. It was grayer over us, so I think the clouds and everything are moving that way. But nonetheless, the sun is above us, but it is beautiful and windy, so it's not even cold. Nice, and I feel like I want to keep working. So what I'm gonna do is keep working. Let me see, try to get you on this tripod without cutting the video off. All right, so this is my first time using a air gun, my air gun, cordless, this one. So let me see if I got it plugged up coming out the kitchen window, because I want to keep working. I mean, I got stuff I can do on the inside, but that's not where I want to work at. I want to finish this fence and get my chickens situated. So, all right, let's see if I can push this up and test a nail. I don't know, into the ground or actually into the wood. I don't know. But let me go get my work glasses. So.
Then keep your eyes protected from the wood?
Yeah, to protect my eyes.
Yes, I know.
Alright, so I got these from the dollar store, $1.25 store, or whatever. I think I'm gonna wear those while working on this. So let's see if I can put it together. I loaded it with some nails. The nails I loaded it with are these collated framing nails. And that tripod is blowing, y'all. I hope it don't blow y'all over, but it's 21-degree plastic strip, rounded head, 2 3/4, 3/8 inch.
That's so dangerous.
Yeah, dangerous.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see if it's long enough to get into that pallet wood, because that pallet wood is something. Ugh. All right, got it on there. Put it on. let's go strengthen this thing. Let's go strengthen this pallet fence right quick. Whoa, baby. Whoa, baby. Whoa. I don't even know where to shoot now. Whoa. Whoa. All right. No, I don't want to strengthen that one there, but I want to strengthen that. So, no, I'm rethinking life. Safety, it wouldn't even let me push it. That's the angle. Oh, yeah, that angle, baby, that's reinforcing. These nails. That's running off my solar. The sun is coming out. Oh my goodness. I can get these pallets. Oh. Oh. Nice. Nice. All right. All right. Let me go ahead and get this one right here. You see this busted up wood, not doing anything, nail, just, yeah. Okay, I think the pressure is reading 150. So I was told that it would go off when it reached pressure. So let me see. Good. 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 Watch out. Good. Watch out. You see this thing. You don't want to get shot, do you? I don't want to shoot you.
Mom, I think I'm going that way, not this way. Not going, and that's coming this way so much.
Yo, I'm doing something.
Mommy, they're not coming to me.
Oh, yeah, good. Oh, that double tap. I had to work on that.
Double, like a two double tap. One,
Yeah.
two, 1, 2.
Uh-oh. All right. This fence is definitely strengthened now. I'm just trying to go back and strengthen it now.
gas coming.
Oh,
Gas coming.
air.
I thought that was gas.
You talking about the sound?
Yes.
Air.
I thought that was gas. That's the big sound. Whoa!
Whoa, that's strength in that. For real. It's so far apart. I don't even know how I even did that. Like, I don't even know what's going on here. Yeah. I don't even know what's going over here. How did I even agree to leave that so far apart? I don't know. No idea. Ugh. But, all right. It's connected. Well, it ain't falling. All right. So, y'all, I got some power, baby. Now I realize I might not have enough screws, but them screws, them nails are, they not expensive to people who got, they were, I guess, I thought they were expensive. So I only got one, using modestly. But I don't win and strengthen this thing. Y'all, I'm finna knock out this pallet fence. I'm not even finna deal with this drill. Where is it? I'm not finna deal with that drill and these screws. I don't give two rats. I'm about to strengthen this fence. I'm about to go and finish this thing. It is 1:16. That nail gun is blowing my mind. However, I need to make sure I have some nails because I got to do the rest of my house. But now I'm ready to go so fast. I'm excited. So I need these nails to finish this front yard fence, and then I start on the house. But I'm so excited, bruh. Like, let's put this fence up and let me quit talking. I'll see you guys in the next video. So I just uploaded the one where I was doing a nail. It took me, what, hour, whatever, to do 4 pallets, try to put stuff together, fighting with this drill. I ain't doing that no more. I'm about to, I just thought I heard some strange noises out there at the courtyard, but I'm finna just pop this pallet fence together. I bought all this bracing and all this stuff, probably not even needed. When I get down to the corner piece, probably don't even need this, these T-posts, because they not even in the ground doing nothing, y'all. Like, make sure that thing is pointing away from me. Okay, that one, it's not doing anything. That thing is resting on there. And that's what's frustrating me. I brought these T-posts out thinking I was gonna be able to get them in the dirt, not really getting them in the dirt. So that's not working. So I'm just gonna nail these together. And that's about it. Put some little posts, put these little things in the ground still, maybe. I don't know. I'll see in the next video. I'll pick you guys up on building this front yard porch out of pallets video, probably part 3. I don't know, part 2. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish this thing on this next video. It shouldn't take me an hour this time. I'll pick you guys up in the next video. Bye.